Hey lovelies, how are you? Hope you're fine. So today I've just shared a beginner chicken stir fry recipe. It's very easy to do. So all you need are different types of vegetables. Your own preference is very okay. And of course chicken. I'm using shredded chicken. It's boneless, of course. And that's about 250 grams, and assorted vegetables. I'm also going to use some dry ingredients as you'll be seeing in the video. So first, fry the chicken. You're going to fry it and until it's cooked, because shredded chicken takes a very short time to cook. So I'm just seasoning with salt and pepper, and I'm going to fry it for some time. I need it to be ready before I add in the vegetables. That is chicken curry powder. Then add in your assorted vegetables. I've used onions, carrots, zucchinis, red and yellow bell peppers. You can add in the green capsicums and whatever that you feel like, or chili or anything, of course. So I'm just going to salt them a little bit so that they also have the taste. For the vegetables, we don't overcook them. That is why we add them to the pan when the chicken is already cooked, because we don't want them soggy. We want them to be fresh, a little bit fresh, so that they add the freshness, of course, to the chicken. This is how it looks like. Looks very fresh, very colorful, of course appealing to the eye, and very tasty. So you can try it out at home. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or when you're going to have a wrap. Thank you for watching.